Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Bowser from Super Mario. Things you need for this video is going to be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get around to this video. Alright, first we're going to start for Bowser. It's going to be a head, so we're going to draw a circle right here, 2 lines, a big circle right here, and another one right there. One that has legs right here, another one that has arms, and then another one. And then this arm, we're gonna draw some like fingers. And you can draw some of these like toes right there. And his tail right there. And then, so first up, for the details, it's gonna be the mouth. So we're gonna draw line right here. It's gonna go right here, go right here, go out like this, go up, go around, line right here, line right there. Oh, that's a little. We're gonna make this a little further up. Right here, here, there, 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 and then there. And then we're gonna draw his. This looks like, well, not the easiest for Bowser. Okay, so actually we're gonna redo that. Good job. So like this, then draw tooth, 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 then his mouth. Then right here, we're gonna draw his nostrils, an eyebrow, which is gonna be a curved line that goes all the way up to here and goes back down. Then some like fur lines that goes all the way up here and right there. Then we're gonna draw one right here, another one right there. Then we're gonna draw a C, then a backward C, then a line, then a backward C right here. A circle and another circle, a circle and another circle. Then we're gonna draw kind of like a curved line right here, a big spike, a bump, some hair, another spike, a line, and then a line that connects it right there for the head. Then right here we're gonna draw a line right here that goes all the way right here, goes all the way right here. Then we're gonna draw something that we did like that, so like curve, spike, curve, spike, then a big curved line that goes up to here, then a curve, spike right here, and then just a spike right there for the shell. And then right here we're gonna draw a line start down, then it goes to here, a curved line that goes all the way up to here, kind of like a bump, a line that goes right to here, a spike for one of the fingers, a line, and then another line, and then a line right there, line, 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 a spike, then a curved line right there, a bump right here, a bump, then another line, spike, and then curvy line, then it connects to here, and then we're gonna make spike and then a curved line like that. Then right here we're gonna draw spike, then a line, then another line, and you can color it in if you want, and then another line with 2 circles, and then a spike, and then right here we're gonna draw a line right here, and then 2 circles. And all that's gonna be black right there when we color, so just remember that. Yeah. So we're gonna draw a line right here that curves, another one, and then one that connects, one that just, so it's gonna keep, the connection's gonna keep getting smaller, but the thing's gonna keep getting bigger, and then now smaller like that. Line, and another one, his knee, and then a line right here, then a bumpy line goes to here, a line, spike, line, spike, line, spike, and then another line that goes to here. Then here, we're going to continue with this line, make a big bump right here, another one, and then another one, and then a bump, a line that goes down, a spike, another one, and then another one. And then it's gonna go to here and curve right there. And we're gonna draw a line that goes down, and then another one from the shell, one in his tail, and then 2 spikes, and then his other arm, which is gonna be a bump, another bump, a bump right here, then a spike, line, line. Then here we're gonna draw a bump right here, then another spike, then it's gonna curve in and curve back out, then one right here, that's gonna go in and go like that, then it's gonna curve all the way up here, then a spike, then line, then a bump, a spike, then a line, then we're gonna draw a line, another one, a spike, and a curve, another line that connects right there for the thing. So yeah, that's gonna be the Bowser sketch. I'm gonna show you your colors, and then we're gonna outline and then color. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you your colors that you're gonna need. There's only a couple colors, not too many. So you're gonna need a brown, 2 reds, what else? 2 yellows, black, 2 tans, a gray. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, no, we're forgetting the most important color of this entire drawing. 2 greens. So these should be all your colors. Yeah, so let's get color and outlining, and ciao. And that's my draw of Bowser and Super Mario. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.